Welcome! Today we're going to create a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for gatherings or a cozy family dinner. With a flavorful rub and a homemade barbecue sauce, this chicken is sure to impress. So, let's gather our ingredients and get started on this delicious journey together. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. First up, we have 4 chicken thighs, bone in and skin on for that juicy flavor. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil to help everything stick and shine. For seasoning, grab some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and dried oregano, about a teaspoon of each except for the salt and pepper, which you'll adjust to taste. Let's move on to our homemade barbecue sauce. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and another 1/4 cup of brown sugar for sweetness. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little zing. To add a smoky kick, grab a teaspoon of smoked paprika and some garlic and onion powder, plus salt and pepper to taste. And if you like it spicy, a dash of hot sauce is optional. That's it for our ingredients. Let's get cooking. Let's start by prepping our chicken. First, rinse the 4 chicken thighs under cold water to remove any residue. Then pat them dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that crispy skin we all love. Now, in a mixing bowl, we'll create a flavorful rub. Combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with salt and pepper to taste, a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and dried oregano. Mix this well. Once your rub is ready, take each chicken thigh and rub the mixture generously over the skin and under it too. This will ensure maximum flavor infusion. Give the chicken a good massage, don't be shy. Once coated, set the thighs aside to absorb those wonderful flavors while we move on to making the barbecue sauce. Now, let's whip up our delicious barbecue sauce. Grab a medium saucepan and set it over medium heat. We're going to combine 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and another 1/4 cup of brown sugar in the pan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For that smoky depth, toss in a teaspoon of smoked paprika, along with a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Finally, season it with salt and pepper to taste. Stir everything together until it's well combined, and bring it to a gentle simmer. This is where the magic happens. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid sticking. You'll know it's ready when it thickens, and the flavors meld beautifully. Set it aside while we cook the chicken. Now that our chicken is prepped and our sauce is simmering, let's move on to cooking the chicken. Preheat your grill to medium heat, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit if you prefer baking. If you're grilling, place the chicken skin side down on the grill grates. Let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until that skin is crispy and golden brown. If you're baking, arrange the chicken on a baking sheet lined with foil for easy cleanup and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. Whether grilling or baking, keep an eye on the internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We want perfectly cooked, juicy chicken. Now, let's get ready to baste it with our sauce. Alright, it's time to baste our chicken with that homemade barbecue sauce. During the last 10 minutes of cooking, take a brush or a spoon and generously coat the chicken with the sauce. Make sure to get every piece covered. If you're grilling, flip the chicken so the skin is up after basting, and let it cook for those last few minutes to caramelize the sauce. For baking, you can leave it skin side up for the remainder of the time. This step is key. It adds that sticky, flavorful glaze we all love. After about 10 more minutes of cooking, check that internal temperature again. You want it just right before we take it off the heat. Let's finish up by letting it rest. Our chicken is cooked to perfection. Now, let's take it off the grill or out of the oven and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is important. It allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it moist and flavorful. Once rested, serve your barbecue chicken with a side of that extra barbecue sauce. You can pair it with classic sides like coleslaw, corn on the cob, or baked beans to complete your meal. And there you have it, savory barbecue chicken that's sure to impress. Lastly, let's go over some handy tips to elevate your dish even further. First, Consider marinating the chicken in that spice rub for a few hours or even overnight. This will allow the flavors to penetrate deeper, resulting in an even more flavorful chicken. If you have the time, it's definitely worth it. Next, when grilling, try using indirect heat. This means starting the chicken on the cooler side of the grill and then moving it to the hotter side for that final sear. This method helps cook the chicken evenly without burning the skin. Speaking of sauce, feel free to get creative with your barbecue sauce. You can add honey for a touch of sweetness, chipotle for a smoky kick, or even a splash of whiskey for depth. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors you enjoy. Also, while cooking, use a meat thermometer to ensure your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This not only guarantees that it's safe to eat, but it also helps you avoid overcooking, keeping your chicken juicy. Finally, for the perfect sides, classic pairings like cornbread, mac and cheese, or grilled vegetables complement barbecue chicken beautifully. These will round out your meal and make it truly memorable. Enjoy your savory barbecue chicken.